Day to day, dance with me. I'm gonna dance your body.
Dude,
Day to
what are you
day.
doing?
Ah, Pinsan, let's rock your body. Top 10 in the Dangas. JRA is better done though.
Yeah, top 10. 10 years ago. You're one weird dude, cousin. Or should I say, insan?
Yeah, that's right, Pinsan. So, do you like cheeseburger and Brad Pitt? He was really good on Titanic. The Americas must be so awesome to live in. What do you do for fun there? Do you like to play basketball? You're from New York City, yes? Do you like Jay-Z? I can rap and dance.
Time out. Guys, I don't know who's more annoying. This kid or my mom? Time in.
Are you here for vacation? Lola never told me I had a cousin from America. You must get so many girlfriends, huh?
Thanks, dude. But I was actually kind of forced to go here. I didn't do so well in school, and my mom got angrier than normal and sent me here as discipline. And there are two things she's very good at: hitting people with Chanel's and disciplining me. This was probably her best form of discipline yet, because this town kind of sucks.
Huh?
No offense, Lola.
Pinsan, you are wrong. There's so much to do here in Cebu. You can swim in Kawasan Falls or take a jeepney to the beaches in Olango Island. I can show you all the coolest spots for a vacationer like you, Sebi.
Time out. What? Beaches, jeepneys, waterfalls? Oh, I'm definitely taking a rain check on that whole discipline thing. Time in.
Pinsan, you like to, what do you call this? Breakdance. B-boy? Yes? Pinsan, I'm gonna take you to the finest dance club ever. Lots of B-boy dancing.
Oh, no way, for sure, dude. I haven't danced in the longest time. I didn't know that there was a big dance culture here. I'm actually in a professional dance team back home. We made nationals twice in a row.
Wow, Pinsan, you're a real Michael Jackson, huh? Sige then, let's go.